Welcome to this 2-minute techie tip on how to add a page to a website. Our goal is to improve teacher productivity and enhance student learning by focusing on communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking skills in the classroom. So let's get to it. This is just my test site in Google Sites. I know I'm in my Google domain. And Google Web Pages or Google Sites offers just a ton of options and a million and one uses for teachers. So where we left off in previous screencasts, this site has only one page, and it's a home page, and this is the text on that page. I want to add another page, and this is my navigation bar. I want to add another page to my site. And as I've said previously, one of the things that I like about Google is that it just gives us 3 buttons here. So it's pretty easy to figure out. Edit this page, and then here my plus button is add a new page. So couldn't be easier. Let's just say test page 2, and you can really click the create button, but just to kind of pay attention down here, putting the page at the top level is exactly, is going to give you the basic formatting. I'm going to show you, in fact, the next page, how to embed a page under another web page. So let's do that in just 2 seconds. But we're just going to create this page. And I am going to put text on here. So do you see how here is some text? So do you see how I now have my home page and I added text test page 2. And if I highlight that and I select it and copy, I can add text here. Let's say I'm done and I click on my save button. And here it's pretty simple that I can go back and forth. Here's my home button, and Google automatically will build all of my pages. So if I just did the same thing and added 10 pages, they would just line up right here. In fact, let's just do one more, and we're going to say test page 3. All right, but I want to put this, I'm going to nest this under my home page, and I just want to show you what that's going to look like. Or actually, I could even put it under the, well, I don't have another page to work with, actually. I could put it under page 2 if I want. Why don't we do that? We're going to do that so you can see how nesting a page is going to look. So instead of at the top level, which would make all of the pages look the same, they'd all be at the same level, we're going to choose and we're going to say we're going to put this under, nest it under page 2. All right, so I'm going to say create. And I am going to then say here is some text, here is some text, and you can see then how I can have superior and inferior or parent-child pages. I'm going to click save, and then you can see better how that will lay out. You may have, say you're going to have here's your science page. You're teaching 3 sections of science or 3 content areas, and this is going to be your science page. Well, you want to embed your 5 pages underneath. You want to kind of hide that. You don't want your navigation bar to be messy. So this would be a way for you to embed your pages underneath. It's called a parent-child or a superior-inferior layout, but it just gives a clean, nice look and helps with organization so that people can say, I have pages that go with this test page 2, and this would be one of the pages, and I can go back and forth, and we can see what that navigation would look like. So that's it for adding a page and creating parent-child pages. And remember that with technology, we can remove the limitations of the traditional classroom and advance the way we teach and learn. Thanks for listening.